Welcome to the task, send a copy of an item to another library. In order to accomplish this task, I'll start Internet Explorer and navigate to the SharePoint document library that contains the item that I'd like to copy to a different library. Once the SharePoint document library page is displayed, I'll identify the item and click off to the right to open the item hover menu. Select the Send To option, and from the Send To submenu, I'll select Other Location. Okay. Before I do that, we'll go ahead and show you a quick time saver to keep you from mistyping something. In this particular case, I'm going to go ahead and copy this preliminary third quarter data Excel spreadsheet to the Shared Documents library. So one trick is to go to the Shared Documents library itself, and we're going to copy and paste the URL to make sure that we get it right. So now that we've copied that to our clipboard, we'll go back to the Trade Show Materials document library, click off to the right, open our hover menu, go to Send To, and in the Send To submenu, click on Other Location. In the destination document library or folder, we'll go ahead and paste in the URL. We'll use the Click Here to Test link to make sure that we got it right, and we did. The Shared Documents document library opened in the other window. We have the opportunity to change the file name for the copy. We won't do that. We'll go ahead and leave it blank. And then in the Update section, we'll go ahead and select Yes, which means that the copy of this spreadsheet in the new location in the Shared Documents document library will be what's called a live copy of the document that's in the Trade Show Materials document library. That means whenever the original in the Trade Show Materials document library is changed, we will get the option to propagate those changes through to the live copy, which is in the Shared Documents document library. And you see we can also create an alert for ourselves and others on the source document by selecting this checkbox. And we'll go ahead and leave the default and leave that unselected right now. So we're ready to go ahead and click OK. Let's do that now. And the Copy Progress dialog box appears. It basically just gives us an overview of everything that's going to happen. We're going to copy this document to this document in the new location with the new name, in this case the same name since we did not change it. And are we sure that we want to do this? In this case we are, so we'll go ahead and click the OK button. The copy is now in progress, and once the copy is done, we'll see these blue arrows pointing down change to green check marks. That means we have a successful copy operation. We can now click the Done button to close the Copy Progress dialog. And now we have our live copy in our Shared Documents document library. This concludes the task, send a copy of an item to another library.